Man, still coming down. Yeah, that's kind of blizzardy. It's blowing sideways snow. I like sideways snow. Houston, we have a problem. Looks like the little cups filled up with ice. That's funny. Yeah, it's blowing probably about 15. Yeah. It's slow going. Look at all them ducks. You know what they say about ducks. Huh, I'm not the only fool out here. Yeah, it's supposed to stop sometime tonight. I don't know. It doesn't look like it. I think it's about 2 o'clock now. Oh. Ah. Yeah. I was surprised to see someone walking down here. Like kind of going out the way. Now it's supposed to clear up for a couple days and then start snowing again. So, might be a good year. Started off kind of slow with all the rain. Well, hopefully these people get out there and start shoveling off their boats, because this is pretty hefty. I'm going to have to do it again tomorrow from the looks of it. We already got one sunk. Wouldn't surprise me if there isn't more. Looks like they got her floating again. Pumping it out. Piled up already. Another what, 6 inches on there? Forgot to turn off my spreaders. Figures. One should invest in a shovel. You ain't going nowhere, bud. Charge this. Then we got a Tesla here. I don't know what the fuck they're doing. Good luck. Hope you brought a shovel. No charging for you. Typhoon PS220 Extreme. Water. Foul weather sealing suit. like a villain. I'm like a living icebreaker. Oh, Lord have mercy. Yeah, gear, man. There's a lot of shoveling going on. I don't know. I trudge up this stupid hill. At least it ain't too deep. I've seen worse. And I had my bath for the year. No, my legs are tired. Trudging through all that deep shit's like tough. I'm too old for this. Jesus Christ, Maynard. What the hell are you thinking?